guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Angelica, but with a brand new video. So today's video we doing unboxing and review on my new Apple iPhone 11. Wow, can't believe I'm saying this right now. Oh my god! But we better open this bad boy up. Let's see what we got. Now we get my scissors. So, I don't know what they were doing, but yeah, oh my god. Okay. Oh my gosh, look. Can you see it? Can you? It's a glow. Yeah, it's a glow. Oh my gosh. It don't look green, but yeah. So this is the iPhone 11 in green right here. Yeah, you can see it green here and green there. So yeah. So let's open this. Oh my god! Just look at this color. It look blue to me. It's like a mint green, mint blue color. Oh my gosh. Maybe they had the box. Okay, you get the scratch on it. Okay, make sure not crack on anything. But we got, you know how Apple, we got the instructions. So basically, the hello, the Apple circles, you know, the pen dangy and whatnot, the use. Then we got the cube charger. We got the AirPods with the lightning connector, and of course the charger to the phone. So yeah, I just love this design that, you know how it always be like a full round back on it. It's not because it got dang on it, so that's really cool. Oh, we get scratches on it. The back, no, oh, is that it? Okay, but yeah, let's cut it on. There we go. I'm so excited. So basically, I am upgrading from iPhone 6s to the 11, and I'm so excited. Like, the phone is so big. Why are you doing? Look at this. Look at the comparison. Yeah, I can make too far up. It is so big. But right now we're at the hello screen. Gonna do put English. Then not the same. I don't do the name. I don't know. I'm gonna put in my Wi-Fi. Okay. I'm connected to my Wi-Fi. It said it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Like, this is so big, like, oh my god. But I also do got a case for it, so yeah, I'm so excited. Let me show you the case actually while it's loading. So I got my case from off Amazon from Super Case, the Ultra Unicorn Beetle case. And this one, but this is the case right here for the phone. I'm so excited. So we got the data and privacy setting. Continue. I'm gonna set up my Face ID later. I'll put a password on it. Okay. Okay. So I said this ain't new. Cause I always got an iPhone. It's not always on. Like I said, I do got an iPhone. You know what? I just don't try for apps and data. I don't know sign in, but no apps and data. I love that we gotta type so much faster now on here than the iPhone 6 is, but it's doing so small. So this is a 6.1 screen. The screen on here, the 6.1, and this is like the 4.7. Okay. The queen. But oh my god, can you just take a look at the color? Like, this is so pretty. It's mad because the one on the sides are like really for the pole, like the sides are much like slippier, and this is like a good grip on it. Yeah. Still waiting. We're waiting. We're still waiting. But yeah, okay. So we got express setting. We get to continue. Keep the other thing. Keep your phone this slow. Let's see what. Okay. We set up my Apple Pay later. We set Siri later. We set screen time. I'll be right back, guys. Hold on. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So I'm back now. So. Share, two-tone. We always set that. So we got light and dark. I'm gonna do dark mode because I love dark mode better than light mode. And I'm doing center, set zoomed. And you go to home. They tell me how to work the phone, how to control access. And welcome to iPhone. That's right, but. So basically that's how it's gonna look right here. It looks just like my other phones, so with the wallpaper and all the apps. But I'm gonna put the apps on there manually and stuff, so yeah, open this phone case up real quick. And so I come into the corner and split front and back. Okay, so I got my coin. Okay, I got it. You just split it like this, and you snap front. Okay. Okay, this side I gotta remove this. And this is not this one. Oh, wait, I forgot to put this off, so let's put this off. Go so far to the front of it. And then this put this back in. Can't get the phone. Look at it. Okay, there we go. And now is it in the case, as you can tell. I know probably not gonna shoot that. It covered like the thing. It covered, but probably not gonna set it for the camera. See, kind of easy to get in it. So yeah. So yeah, everything pretty much up to date. This iOS 11. I mean not 11. I mean 13. iOS 13 on here. So I'm so excited to use it. So I hope you liked the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and also leave the link